Wonder TV, Africa redefined.
The people of Ise Land celebrate the impactful life and legacy of His Royal Majesty Oba Adegbasan, the Omuni Ogbogbologu Shegito III of Onise of Ise Land, who lived from 1935 to 2026. The atmosphere in Ise was filled with deep reflection, honor, and gratitude as family members, traditional rulers, community leaders, and well-wishers gathered to pay their last respect to a monarch widely regarded as a pillar of unity and progress. Throughout his reign, Oba Adegbasan was known for his unwavering commitment to the growth, peace, and cultural preservation of Ise Land. Speaking at the event, Chief Dr. Otumba Wanle Akiboboye, the Bubagunwa of Ise Land, alongside other dignitaries, shared heartfelt tributes with Atunda Television. They described the late king as a visionary leader whose reign brought transformation, stability, and pride to the community.
Well, I think that you can't really describe him because he's very calm, very quiet, and extremely simple. Describing him really would be a bit difficult for me because we've been friends for over 35 years. And I have never seen him angry. I've never seen him raise his voice. He's always calm, always happy. So I believe he's in a happy place because he was a happy man.
Gbogbo àwọn tó wá bá ṣe bàbá àdúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run ṣe gan. Gbẹ̀yìn bàbá náà là ń ṣe yìí, Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ káwa náà lépa wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run. A dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bàbá wa Akínbóyè. A dúpẹ́ gbogbo ìṣesí tó ṣe fún wa. Ọlọ́run náà bá tọ̀nà ẹjọ́ tí wọ́n náà jìnnà pọ̀ tìpínlẹ̀ yìí.
May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala repose his soul. I pray that he's in Al-Jannah. He was my father. I came into Ise community 2 years back. I grieve very much when I learned about his death. I was in Saudi Arabia during Umrah. I couldn't come. I just came back last week, so I decided to come for this particular occasion. To come and honor him, and honor the two Oloris, and I pray to him, to Allah, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will grant him Al-Jannah Firdaus.
Our cabinet is a person that is good. So it's just in a family of Gbongbológun.
Kábíyèsí wa tó kú, bàbá tó dá sí wa ni. Torí pé bàbá yẹn ló fi àwa joyè, tí ó bá fà wá joyè àmọ́ bí tó ń jẹ́ Ise. So dàbọ̀dẹ̀ fa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wá sí ilé nìyẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ pé bàbá yẹn ti mọ̀ pé òun máa kú kó tó fi rú wa yìí joyè. Kábíyèsí tó dá sí joyè ni. Ó dẹ̀ fojú parẹ́ ìlú rẹ̀, ọmọdé ìlú kò fojú parẹ́, àgbà ìlú kò fojú parẹ́. Kọ́lọ́run bá wa lọ́rẹ̀ bàbá náà sí. Ọmọ tó fi sílẹ̀, Kọ́lọ́run bá wa táàrin wọn ṣe káàrin wọn má dàrú, ẹ̀yìn wọn náà kó má dàrú.
According to them, Oba Adegbasan's leadership style was deeply rooted in wisdom, humility, and service to the people. His contributions to community development, youth empowerment, and the promotion of cultural heritage were highlighted as lasting legacies that will continue to inspire generations to come. As the kingdom bids farewell to the revered monarch, the life and times of Oba Adegbasan remain a testament to selfless leadership and enduring impact. For Atunda Television, This is a celebration, not just of a life well lived, but of a legacy that will never be forgotten. My name is Victoria Philip Onyekachi. This is Event Chronicles.
Tonda TV, Africa Redefined.